In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify hide out of stock items. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep unavailable products from showing up on your storefront while still keeping them organized in your admin. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the home dashboard, head over to Products. This is where all of your items live and where you'll make the visibility change. Open the product that's currently out of stock. You can pick any item you want to hide from your online store while you wait for inventory to come back. Inside the product page, look for two key areas: product status and sales channels and apps. If the product is active, but you want to hide it without archiving or deleting anything, use the sales channels visibility. Switch it so the product is not visible on your selected sales channels or markets. This keeps the product active for internal use, reporting, and edits, but it won't appear on your storefront. Click Save to apply the change. Saving here is important. Visibility updates don't go live until you save. Now open your storefront in a new tab and go to your home page to confirm the product is no longer appearing. You can navigate to another public page, like your contact page, to make sure the site is loading fresh content and that the hidden product isn't popping up in any featured sections. If you still see it, give it a moment or refresh. Shopify can take a short time to update collections and search. Back in the admin, here's an alternative that completely hides the item across channels. Change the product status to draft. Draft status removes it from all customer-facing areas, which is useful when something is discontinued or being reworked. Click Save to lock that in. For demonstration, switch it back to active when you're ready for the item to be available again, and save once more so the change takes effect. When you want to double-check how the product will look once it's visible again, use the Preview option from the product page. Preview opens a safe, store-themed view, so you can confirm details like pricing, images, and descriptions before customers see them. To recap the flow you just followed: open the product, either make it not visible on your sales channels to hide it softly, or change its status to draft to hide it completely, then save. Visit your storefront to verify, and use Preview when you're ready to bring it back. These small tweaks keep your storefront clean and prevent shoppers from landing on sold-out items.